is you need to go to aplusstudents.com. Then you need to select math as your subject. This is a grade 2 maths lesson, and the name of the topic is mixed operations. I'll give the chapter number and the lesson number. Chapter number 20, lesson number 3. Chapter number 20, lesson number 3, and the name of the lesson is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Okay. And it says balance equations. And we were doing the balance up to 20. Okay. So let's look at the questions. Let's look at examples. First thing first, let's go to the website. Okay. And the first question says, which number will make the equation true? They have given us an equation. An equation means we have some values on the left side and we have some values on the right side. Okay. So let's see what can be done. This is the question that's been given to us. And this is the given statement. Which number will make this equation? Why are they saying it's an equation? Because there is an equal sign in the middle. Okay. We know that okay. Hi, welcome to the class, Eddie. So 6 plus 1, we know that 6 plus 1 is 7, right? 6 plus 1 should be equals to, what we say is the numbers over here are, these numbers are on the left hand side and these numbers are on the right hand side. The numbers on the left hand side should be equals to the number on the right hand side. Agreed? So if we need to find this missing number, how can we do that? There should be a bigger number than 9, right? So what we can say is we write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, because there is a subtraction sign. And we write how many numbers more so that it becomes 7 greater. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 6 and 7. That means 9 plus 7 numbers should be equals to 16, right? Because we need the 7 as the answer. So can we say 16 minus 9 would also be equals to 7? That means the left hand side of the equation equals to the right hand side of the equation. Okay. What I did was, since these were 9 numbers, this was 9 given over here, we wrote the 9 numbers and then we started counting the numbers, 7 additional numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we reached 16. That means 16 LS. That means 9 plus 7 is 16. Or what we could have done was, if the question given was 6 plus 1 is equals to a missing number minus 9, right? We know this came out to be 7. Then 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9 should be 16. So we write 16 over here. Agreed? Hi Tess. Hi MJ. Let's have a look at another example. For the next question, it says, which number will make the equation true such that one of the left hand side has addition on it and the right hand side has subtraction on it? This is the question given to us. What is 2 plus 4? We know that on the left hand side of the equation, sorry, question number 2, the left side of the equation would give us the answer 6 should be equals to a number minus 0. We know the rule for subtracting 0 is the number will always stay the same. We don't, that means we're not subtracting anything. We are subtracting a 0 out of it. What should this come out to be? This should come out to be 6. Agreed? That means 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 minus 0 is still 6. Agreed? Let's have a look. I may. These are easy questions. I'll try to make them more difficult once we are done with the easier ones, okay? For question number 3, it says, which number makes the equation true such that the equation given to us is 20 minus 6 should be equals to something plus 13. This is our question number 3. What is 20 minus 6? 20 minus 6, something plus 3 must be equal. We know that 20 minus 6 would be, okay, let's do the working. We have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's remove 6 numbers, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That means 20 minus 6 would be equals to 14. Agreed? Then they're asking us what number should be added to 3. What number should be added to 3 to make it 14? Agreed? Can we say we find the difference of these two numbers? Should be this number. So if I say 14 minus 3, can we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. If we subtract 3 numbers, we are left with 11. So can we say 11 over here? 11, May? We are trying to find the difference, right? And difference always means the subtraction. Agreed? Because we have to make the left hand side of the equation equals to the right side of the equation, right? Thank you, Tess. Thank you, May. Do we agree, May, that this should come out to be 11? Therefore, our final answer would be 14 on either sides. Okay, let's do one more example. For the next equation, next example, it says, okay, which number makes the statement true? Question number 4. And it says, a number minus 10 should be equals to, sorry, let me just redo it. This is the given question for question number 4. The values over here are, this is the left hand side of the equation, and this is the right hand side. Okay, so the question is telling us that a larger number minus 10 should be equals to 1 plus 2. Okay, so what is 1 plus 2? We know that 1 plus 2 is always equals to 3. Okay, that means if the right side is equals to 3, then the left side should also be equals to 3. Agreed? Then this should also be equals to 3. That means we need to find this missing number. So can we say 10 plus 3? 10 plus 3 is 13. And 13 minus 10 would be 3. See, we have, for this part of the question, I'll show you what we are doing here. For this part of the question, we are trying to recall related subtraction facts. We did it previously, right? Related subtraction facts. So what is this related subtraction fact? That means 13 minus 10 was 3. Then 13 minus 3 would be 10. Agreed? And the subtraction, and now the addition related fact would be, for this question, when we add these two smaller numbers, when we add them together, they will be equals to 13 as well. Agreed? Perfect. Okay. So FJ, the missing value was 13, right? 13 minus 10 would be equals to 3. So the value in the box we had to find. Okay. Thank you. Let's move ahead. Any questions up till now? If there is any question, let me know. I'll just re-explain the question. That's not a problem. Okay. Let's have a look at question number 5. In question number 5, what they're asking us is 12 plus something should be equals to 19 minus 1. Okay. What, first thing first, what is 19 minus 1? We need to find the answer for 19 minus 1. Whenever we subtract 1, that means, see, the numbers are, they would be like 17, 18, and 19, and 20, right? 19 minus 1 would be, and plus 1 would be 20, right? Whenever we subtract a 1, it's very easy for us. So we can say 19 minus 1 is 18. This was the left hand side, and these were the values on the right hand side of the equation. So 19 minus 1 came out to be 18. So what should we add to 12 to make it 18? What number should be added to 12 to make it 18? Right? They both should be 18, right? Agreed? Perfect. So for this side of the equation, 12 plus a number should be equals to 18. So if I write this as 12 plus a number should be equals to 18, right? So can I say 18 minus 12 would give us this number? So if you write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Let's subtract 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Thank you, May. That means 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. So we simply write a 6 over here. The missing number was 6. Thank you. Let's have a look at the next question. Question number 6 tells us which number makes the equation true such that they're saying 17 plus something should be equals to 20 minus 1. Let me just copy paste. If this is given for us, they're asking us to find the missing number. We can say this was the left side of the equation. That should be equal to the right hand side of the equation. So once 20 minus 1 means we can write the numbers 18, 19, 20, 21. If we subtract 1, we go to the smaller number. If we add 1, we go to the larger number. That means 20 minus 1 should be 19 because we are subtracting 1. We go to the previous number. But here they're saying what should be added to 17 to make it equals to 19, right? So we can say we have the numbers 17, 18, 19. So when we add two more numbers to, agreed? Or we say 19 minus 17 should be equals to 2. That means 2 is the value over here. Do we agree? See, 17 plus 2 is 19 and 20 minus 1 was 19 as well. So both the equations are balanced. The left side is equal to the right side of the equation. Agreed? Okay, thank you. Let's move ahead. The next question, it says, two plus 13 is equals to something. Okay, the next question says this. This is our missing value over here. And they are asking us which part of the equation make it true. No, Elias, 17, okay, I'll just confirm what you wrote. I'll show you the working, okay? What you are saying is, I'm doing your working, okay? So let's put it in a box just to prove this. You said, I think there must be a 17 plus 3 is equals to 20 minus 1. 17 plus 3 would be equals to 20, right? And this is 20 minus 1 was 19. They're not equal. See, if I write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, right? Because the number here was 19, and we have to make this also equals to 19, right? So 19 and the number given, if we subtract 2, that means we are just removing two numbers, then we get 17. So can I write 17 plus 2 is equals to 19? Agreed? Okay. And this sign means not equal. Okay, this sign means equal, and if we slash and if we make a line passing through equal sign, it means not equal. Okay, so this should be the answer with 2 on it. Okay, let's have a look at question number 7. Yes, thank you, Alice. Lies. Maybe you did a typing error, right? This is the perfect answer. Okay. For the next question, question number 7, we have 2 plus 13. We know that 13 plus 2 is always 15, and this was 20 minus something, right? So 20 minus some numbers, we need to make it equals to 15 as well. Can we write the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. If we had the number 20, we had to subtract something. So how many numbers do we need to subtract to make it 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If from 20, if we remove 5 numbers, we get the answer 15, right? That means we can write this equation as 2 plus 13 is equals to 12t minus 5. They both are equals to 15. Agreed? So the missing number was 5. Okay? Do we agree? Any questions up till now? Perfect. Thank you, Alicia. Okay? Let's have a look at one more example. So the next question we have, it says, which number makes the equation true? Just a moment, please. Let me copy because otherwise I'll have to write it down. So if this is the next question given to us, what they are saying is, what number should be subtracted from 18 to make it equal to the 2 plus 6? This is the left hand side and this was the right hand side, and they're saying they're equal, right? What is 6 plus 2? 2 plus 6 should be 2 plus 6 should be equals to, if we have, I'll give you a very easy example. If we have 2 stars, okay, and we have 6 stars, so how many total stars do we have in total altogether? These were 6 stars plus 2 stars. So when we add them together, the total number of stars would be, thank you, May, thank you, Lacia. The total number of stars would be, we can write down the numbers. Let me tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That means 2 plus 6 would be equals to 8. Perfect. On the left hand side, they're saying 18 minus something, 18 minus a number should be equals to 8 also, right? Because we are saying the left hand side of the equation is equals to the right hand side. So can we write 18 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If we had 18 numbers, we subtract certain numbers from it. We don't know how many, but we need to go till 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That means from 18, if we subtract 10 numbers, we get, yes, perfect. Test 18 minus 10. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Lacia, thank you. Okay. Can you people hear me? Okay. Can we move ahead to the next question? For us, the next question says, which number makes the equation true such that, in question number 9, this number is given to us, 13 minus something should be equals to, if this was our question number 9, okay, let's say this is our question number 9. So the one of the sides of the equation would be given to us. In this case, the right hand side is given to us. Perfect. Okay. Question number 9. What is 6 plus 3? In the previous question, we did 6 plus 2, right? 2 plus 6. Now this is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 means 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then how much should we subtract from 13 to get equals to 9? To make it equal to 9? What we can do is we can write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We need to go till 9. So how many numbers do we need to cancel out? We can say we need to remove 4 numbers. Perfect, Alicia. That means your answer is 13 minus 4 must be equal to 6 plus 3, and then both must be equal to 9. Thank you. Moving ahead to the next question. Question number 10. The next question says, which numbers would make the equation true? I'll just copy this. Question number 10. And the given statement is, what is 11 plus 9? It says 11 plus 9 is equals to 20 minus something. Okay. We know that 11 plus 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to add 9 more numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means this can be written as 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 11 plus 9 is 20. Should be equals to 20 minus 0. Oh, sorry, I was about to say 20 minus what? Yes, thank you. So what should be right in the missing number to make it also equals to 20? 20 minus nothing, right? We cannot subtract anything. So when we subtract nothing, we write 0. No, Lacia, what we need to see over here is 11 plus 9 was equals to 20, right? Similarly, on the other side, 20 minus 0 would also be equals to 20, right? Yes, 20 minus 0 would also be equals to 20. So finally, you can write this as 11 plus 9 or 20 minus 0. They both are equal to 20. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's change this. I'll change this question a little to make it. Okay, let's not. Let's keep the same. Question number 11. For us, the question number 11 says something minus 19 should be equals to 1 plus 0. And we know the rule for adding a 0 is, what's the rule for adding a 0? Whenever we add 0 to a number, the number stays as it is. Yes, thank you, Alicia. Whenever 0 is added to a number, the number will stay the same. So it will stay as 1, right? Agreed. So what about the other side? Which number minus 19 will give us the answer as 1? That means 1 greater. See, if I write the numbers 17, I'm just not writing the complete number. 18, 19, 20, 21, and so on, right? This is a sequence of numbers. If we say 19 plus 1 is 20, right? Then 20 minus 1 would be 19 as well. Agreed? So we can say 20 minus 19 is equals to 1 plus 0, and they both are equals to 1. No, Malaysia, we cannot subtract. I'll explain. What you wrote is, maybe it's a typing error, but I'll explain. 11 minus 19 is not equal to 1 plus 0 because this is a smaller number and 19 is a larger number. So if we have to subtract 19, we have to have a larger number here. It is always larger minus the smaller number, right? To find 19, we were missing this value, and the answer was 1. So one number greater than 19 was 20, right? That means by the related subtraction facts, okay, I'll do this. If this number was missing, minus, and this. So if we interchange the positions of these two numbers, if I write 1 and 19 over here, this is a subtraction related fact. But this 20 stays constant, right? Okay. So this is our rough working for understanding the question, okay? It's not related to this, not part of the answer. Answer is this statement. Just explanation. Okay, let's try some more. For the next question, that is question number 12, they're asking us to simplify or find the missing value such that, okay, 20 minus 15. Okay. The question says this is the number given to us, and they are saying 20 minus 15 should be equals to a missing number plus 4, right? What is 20 minus 15? How can we do this? 20 minus 15, we can write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 minus 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That means 20 minus 15 is 5. This was 5 also on this side. The left hand side value should be equals to the right hand side value. Agree? So which number should be added to 4 to make it 5? Yes, perfect, May. The answer comes out to be 5. Now we need to see, yes, this. What is the missing number that should come in the green box? How many numbers do we need to add to 4 to make it 5? Okay, let's say we had stars over here. We had 4 stars. How many more stars do we need to add to make it 5 stars? If we had 4 stars already, right? If I want to make them 5 stars, how many stars do I need to add to this? Yes, thank you, Alicia. I just need to put one more star. Now the number of stars are 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means 1 plus 4. So we can finally say that 20 minus 15 is equals to 1 plus 4, and they both are equals to 5. Thank you. Perfect. Let's try some questions from the test. Okay. Let's see what options do we have, what we can do. Just a moment, please. Okay. Which number makes the equation true? Okay, I'll give you the way how to do a multiple choice question, okay? Multiple choice questions is easier than finding the question, okay? So if this was the given question to us, this is our question number 1 from the test. Okay, so what they are saying is 12 plus something should be equals to 19 minus 1. And we have the two options which are given as 6 and 12. So which option should be correct? 6 or 12? Yes. Thank you, May. Thank you, Elisa. Thank you, Shama. Okay. Thank you, Tess. Let's move to this question. So what should be the answer? Okay, we have both the options. Someone is saying 6, someone is saying 12, right? Let's see. Just see. Okay. 6 is the correct answer. How? See, what I'll do is, if 6 was given to us as one of the options, right? Once I put 6 over here, 12 plus 6 is 18, and 19 minus 1 should be 18. That means 6 is the correct answer already. What we do is we take the options and we put them over here. 12 plus 12 was 24, and this was 18. Is 24 equals to 18? They're not equal. Agreed? 24 is not equal to 18. That means it cannot be the answer. The correct answer would be 6. So what we do is, the options that are given to us, one by one we put in the original equation. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. For the next question, it says we will simply substitute means put the answers into the equation, into the question. Okay, so the next question says this. Okay, Same values are given to us. It does not make any difference. This is our question number 2 from the test. Okay. So what is the answer? Semi, what is the answer? What we can say is, we can put the values into this equation, right? Once we put a 6, if we put the 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 minus 6 was 0. That means we already know this is the answer. Okay? Thank you. Why is 12 incorrect? Let's see. 2 plus 4 is 6, which is not equals to 12. That means this was incorrect. So we simply write the correct answer, that is 6. Okay? Thank you, Shama. Thank you, Elisa. Thank you, Tess. Thank you, Semi. And thank you, May. Okay, thank you, Doug. So let's move ahead. For the next question, they are saying which number makes the equation true such that the given values are, it just takes me a few seconds to copy paste. Meanwhile, I'm copy pasting, I try to read the question. Okay. If these are the two options given to us and the equation was given this, 18 minus something should be equals to 18 minus number should be equals to 2 plus 6. What is 2 plus 6? It's 8, right? So can we say 18 minus the first option, 10, and the 18 minus 4? 18 minus 10 would be equal. Perfect. Thank you, Shama. That means 18 minus 10 was 8. 18 minus 4 is 14. And we need to find 8 as an answer. That means 10 is the correct option. Let's have a look at another example. Okay. I think we did a very similar question recently. No, half of the question was the same, but the remaining part is different. So the next question says, question number 4 says, if these are the given values, in question number 4, which of these answers will make the statement true? Equation or the statement is correct, right? So let's say this is our question number 4. Thank you, May. Thank you, Shama. What is 20 minus 15? See, in these kind of questions, this will be the most difficult part if we have a larger number. If we make a mistake in this 20 minus 15, then that means we can make the mistake on the other side as well. 20 minus 15 is easy. I'll write down the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We remove 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That means this comes out to be 5. Perfect. That means the answer is 1. So the left-hand side and the right-hand side have the same answer. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Semi. Thank you, Shama. Thank you, Elisa. Okay, let's look at one more question. Which statement makes, which equation value makes the equation true? For the given value, it says, question number 5, if these are the numbers given to us, and these are the two options we have, 1 and 0, and the given equation was this, which is missing a value over here. This is our question number 5. 11 plus 9 would be equal to 20. And 20 minus something should be, see, if I say 20 minus something, if I put 1, this becomes 19. If I say 20 minus 0, it stays the same number, right? So what we can say is, yes, thank you, Shama, minus 0 should be equals to 20. That means 0 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you, Shama. Thank you, Laisa. Okay, we are done with a few questions. Some questions are left. Okay, please do try the remaining questions and have more practice. Thank you, May. That's a perfect answer. 0 is the correct answer. Okay, please do complete the remaining questions. And best of luck. Have a nice day. Take care.